Ladies and gentlemen, these are the designs from Marlin Showroom by Rublin Karbi. Now, I would like to call upon the stunning showstopper, Miss Anushka Tironpi. She is the winner of Miss Karbi Anglong 2023 and also Miss Kevaya First Runner-Up 2022 along with Miss Grand Falcon First Runner-Up 2023 along with Miss Amur Falcon 2022 and also the reigning Miss Assam First Runner-Up 2024. Please put your hands together for Anushka Tironpi. Now I would like to call upon the beautiful designer of these designs, Rublin Karbi. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Rublin Karbi. I would like to call upon my colleagues to kindly felicitate our showstoppers of our today's event, Miss Anushka Tironpi. Thank you so much, Ms. Anushka Tironpi, for being with us today.